Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuhu and good morning everyone. Me and my friend of grade 7 collaborator will be presenting a seminar on the important industries in the world. And some of the important industries are iron and steel, fishing, shipbuilding and many more. So let's start with iron and steel. For that, I like to call Hasil.
Iron and steel. Steel is used in the manufacture of industrial machinery. Most other industries are dependent on steel and iron industries for industrial material. Thus, iron and steel industry is known as a basic industry because other industries are dependent on it. Steel and iron industries are the key of industrialization and the development of a nation. Steel is one of the most common building materials in the world, with 1.3 billion tons being produced annually per year. The leading productions of steel are China, USA, Russia, Ukraine, Germany, Japan and India. In Asia, Asia contributes to 61% of steel production.
Start.
Now for the industry of sugar, one of the world's most popular industry that we all love. It is a food. For that I like to call our fellow peer Ayana.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Ayan Afsar and I am here in front of you all to bring light in the topic or the industry of sugar. Sugar is one of the most important and one of the most popular food items, and it's used in manufacturing many things, even shoe polish. Sugar is also used in food products, dairy products, and as I said, shoe polish. 160 million tons is produced every year, with China, Japan, India and Brazil being one of its largest. You know, a lot of people have big minds. Let me give you an example. Like the people of Brazil, they extract a sweet liquid from the sugar canes. This liquid is called molasses. And then it is purified and it is formed into an alcohol-based fuel named ethanol. Now this ethanol is used while the other waste molasses is either burned or it is used to produce electricity. That's it, and I hope I brought light into the industry of sugar.
Start.
Let's talk about the world's most important industry that we all use in our daily life, the IT industry. For that, I would be speaking. And IT industry or the information technology is an industry that will help everybody in daily life. It has changed lives of school, hospital and even government. As per, it helps to store data efficiently and very easily. As per, it helps to store it not on paper and online, so you don't have the fear of having it lost or stolen. Instead, it's with you all the time. And the most countries that are like the most popular in making this: China, America. As per America, 28% of the industry, and India, it is the world's largest person or the country that produces technology or data for other countries. And Bengaluru is a focal point. And even in Hyderabad, high-tech city is one of the key major points of the IT industry in India. And in 2015, the IT industry surpassed $3.7 trillion totally. And if we count even just the mobile, it can go up to like 15 to 20 trillion dollars. And with this, I like to end the topic about IT, and I would like to continue on to fishing, which I like to call fire.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sayyid Fadullah Hussain, and today I will be throwing some light on the topic fishing.
Start.
So I will be throwing some light on the topic fishing. Do you know that fishing is also considered as an industry? Well, fish is one of the most prominent source of food and is a very healthy source of vitamins, nutrients, vitamin D, proteins Fishing is mostly based on factors like if the country has coastal areas or not. Well, the leading countries in fishing are India, the USA and many other coastal countries. I hope I have given enough information about the fishing industry.
Thank you, Fahid. Now let's move on to another very important industry which helps us transport. We use it in our daily life, the automobile industry. For that, I like to call Rahan.
Good morning everyone. Today I am gonna telling you about automobile industry. Automobile industry is one of the most important industry in our life. We use automobile industry to commute, including vehicles such as buses, metros and etc. The automobile industry comprises new developments of the automobile. The automobile industry is the most important economic sector of the world. The automobile industry requires a huge amount of investment into new technologies, and it requires new constructions such as new assembly plants. Thank you.
Cotton textile.
Welcome.
Start.
Thank you, Jazakallah khairan kaseera, Rahan. Now let's move on to our industry that helps us carry our luggage through the oceans. And the industry is shipbuilding. For that which I'll be talking about. Shipbuilding requires a lot of labor and a lot of skilled workers and a lot of material. As well, it requires thousands of tons of wood, steel just to make the base of it. And the leading producers of it are China, Brazil, America, because they own most of the industry or most of the industry's share in the world. And India is also at an astonishing rate as well as a developing nation. It has gone from 0.1% in the 2000s and it has gotten to 1.3% in 2025 as well now. And the main point of the shipbuilding industry are Beijing in China, because they have been making a lot of ships recently, or just for since forever, and they have a lot of skilled labor. And as for shipbuilding makes ships and helps us to travel, there are many cruises that go which are made by China or America, and most of them help us go to the world and travel, or others are just used for carrying stuff, cars, goods, materials or just cargo, instead of using high expense cargo. But now I like to end this seminar. Now I like to move on to another important sector that we all wear in our daily life, the cotton textiles. The clothes are made from cotton. So for that I like to call Ayana.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am back but with a more interesting and a bigger thing to talk about. The cotton textile. A cotton is a fiber which can be obtained from cotton plants. Did you know that nobody ever thought that a plant could turn into an industry? Yes, it turned into an industry. Many countries produce cotton. Germany, USA, India and Russia being the largest producers of many. There are more than 90 countries which I can't name right now, but they either produce it or they either export it or they help in producing it. Cotton is an industry that is very helpful throughout our lives. Exactly like Hussein Shah told, our clothes, and it's also used for other materials like fake plants for decorating our homes. Well, cotton textile is a huge industry. I can't talk about it right now, so I would like to close this topic. I hope there is light in cotton and Jazakallah.
And now I like to finally end this seminar. I, Mohammad Hussain Shah, and my teammates Anas, Hashimullah, Faiz and Dahan will sincerely thank you all for giving us your time. Thank you.